Hey guys, it's Jackie from For the Real Girl, and today we are going to do a little Target beauty box unboxing. If you like these kind of affordable unboxings, do me a favor, give this a thumbs up and subscribe. So the box we're looking at today is the Target March beauty box. They seem to be doing a lot of beauty boxes lately, and I haven't really been getting them. Most of them are $7. This one was $7 if I remember properly. And you get, check my thing. Of course, it doesn't say how much you paid on the receipt, because why would it? One of the nice things about the Target beauty boxes, though, is you always get free shipping, so you don't have to order anything else because you can't get it in the store. So let's pop this baby open. This one is dermatologist trusted skincare. So that's one of the big reasons I got it, is I wanted to try some skincare, and it had items in it I was really interested in. This time we did get a 3 off 15, and notable, normally I never get to use these coupons because they expire so quick. This one doesn't expire until June 30th, which is my oldest child's birthday. Aw, he no longer lives at home, he's 18. Okay, so we got a nice little box. Let's see if I can show you without dumping it out, of goodies. And so this is their more high-end Target brands that they have of skincare. So that's really what interested me. This first thing is the Vichy Laboratories. Let's see if there's an English version. Nope, that really is it. It's their Aquilia Thermal Hydrating Cream Enrich. It's for sensitive skin, hypoallergenic. It's a mineralizing thermal water. Okay. It's always funny. All these say, oh, we have the best water. It's like, okay, that's the one ingredient I don't feel the need to pay a lot for. And it's a cute little glass bottle. It is ½ an ounce. I have gotten this before and I love this. So the opportunity to buy it kind of on the cheap, kind of. Next up is from La Roche-Posay, and it is the Toleriane Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. I feel like, yeah, I'm educated. It has the ceramide 3 and the niacinamide, which I've been really hearing good things about, and I like a nice gentle cleanser. I don't want to overly strip my face. It can, for those of you who don't normally see me without makeup, I can be a bright red kind of girl just generally in life. So this is ½ a fluid ounce. It has a little bit of a scent. It doesn't have much of a scent, and I like it. So this box is full of great like skin ingredients, and that is the big reason I bought it. So this is the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. It has an SPF 30 and it's an AM serum, or I mean a lotion, non-comedogenic, non-irritating. Sample size, 5 milliliters. So I am on the hunt for an affordable, being underline that, sunscreen. I understand that the moisturizer doesn't quite do it because you have to put so much on in order to get these sunscreen benefits, but a little sunscreen in my moisturizer will not hurt me at all, and I am pretty pale. So the next thing is the eye repair cream. I am looking for a good eye cream. Right now I am using a Dr. Brandt eye cream, and it has hyaluronic acid. I'm using it mostly at night, and it's nice, it's great. It's expensive. I got it in a beauty box, so I'm very happy to have it. I just don't know that I really want to replace it at that price point. And I believe it was Sabrina was talking about drugstore eye creams, and I want to say that this was on her list of something you could put on at night, not put on under makeup. And so I really wanted to try it, and so I was very excited. Seriously, these are the two things that went, okay, I want this box. Now these I think are $10 or $15 each full size, but I like the idea of being able to try them out. So next up, we've got a couple foil packets. We have the Vichy 89 Booster. I'm just gonna go with Skin Fortifying Daily Booster. I think that's French underneath. And then this is the Eye Fortifier. So look forward to trying these. And at some point soon, I need to go through my empties. I have so many empties. It's now left my garbage can and is like going around. So I'll let you know in those videos what I think of these little sizes that I try real quick. The next thing, oh, this was the other reason I bought it. This is a tinted, and so that's the other part. If I can get away with not wearing foundation, I'm even happier. This is a tinted broad spectrum SPF 50. And this is a mineral ultralight sunscreen fluid from La Roche-Posay. I am stoked about this. I'm a little concerned about tinted moisturizers in the pale does not equal yellow. I'm very pale and pink, so I worry about that. But I really like the idea of not a tinted moisturizer, but a tinted sunscreen. Because there's lots of moisturizers I have that'll give me like really good ingredients, but I need the sunscreen, and like right now I'm wearing a super light coverage foundation because I just did. The next thing is the CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. Cleanse and softens without drying. If these normal to oily, like a normal to oily product is too much for me, I'll pass it on to one of my teenagers. But the CeraVe is known for being really gentle. So I think on the whole, for $7, I totally got my money's worth. I am super excited to try these in the smaller size because like this, I think is like $20+ to get. And I want to know if it's going to make me break out. That's the other part. Some sunscreens just totally clog my pores. I'm very excited to try these. I can report back. Do you get these Target Beauty boxes? Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.